Hi, I decided to order Suze Orman's portfolio, the gold edition, on HSN. And to date, I just noticed on her website that she has sold more than 1 million of these. I ordered this probably about, I don't even know, maybe a couple months ago. I have not opened it. So let's open it and see what's in here. What's it say? Suze Orman's Protection Portfolio. Suze always talks about how everyone should be protected in their portfolio for what they have. So let's see here. There we go. Like a file. Let's see what's on this side. Empty. Looks like a jewelry case. I guess that's where I'm supposed to keep all my big diamonds, huh? I don't know. We'll check that out. Let's see. Does it say? People first, then money, then things. Okay. So let's see what we have here. Welcome. It's a welcome letter. I'm thrilled you've taken this important step toward the assurance of your family's financial and emotional peace of mind by purchasing Suze Orman's protection portfolio. Love and respect. Let's see, I even have a card here with my own special number. That's good. Let's see. Personal documents, birth certificate, social security card, copies of passports, copy of driver license, military, so it's all labeled. Personal documents, credit, debit, FICO, copies of both sides of your active ATM and credit cards, stick that in the file. College finance, your 529, copy of applications, default records. Auto, RV, boat, where you put all of your documents. Real estate. I think I need a bigger folder for that. Title, copy of title policy, deed, mortgage, copy of any deposits goes in there. Insurance, health, dental, lease, boat, motorcycle, life, workman's comp, cancer, accidental death. All that goes in the insurance. Retirement and investments, IRA, SEP, annuity, CD statements, pay on death accounts. I'm not sure what that is. IRA rollover, 401k goes in there. Estate planning, place to put your will, pour over will, advance directive, durable power of attorney for health, cemetery arrangements. Oh, that sounds depressing. Estate planning, your Social Security and Medicare, where you put your card, your Social Security statement, Medicare statements, all in that folder. And your taxes, your tax returns for the past 3 years, documentation, financial gifts to people. So that's all it is. Place to put all your documents. I think I paid about $89 for this, so I guess I have a little work to do. So just wanted to show you Suze Orman's protection portfolio.